Hi, I'm Mark Hanson. I'm the Curator of Collections and Exhibits with the Museum and Education Department here at the Champaign County Forest Preserves. The department includes the Museum of the Grand Prairie and Homer Lake Interpretive Center. My job is to supervise and maintain the department's collections and exhibits. Museum of the Grand Prairie and Homer Lake Interpretive Center are fortunate to be able to collect, preserve, and interpret the cultural and natural history of Champaign County and East Central Illinois, and help people make connections to their past and the natural world around them. Our collections and exhibits address both our cultural and natural heritage, because culture and nature are inseparably linked.